All right, if you're looking for a great house in Midtown, this is the one for you. Corner lot, I mean, come on. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's head on in here and check it out. If you're not familiar, Midtown Tulsa, you're going to be close to a lot of outdoor shopping areas, nightlife, as well as the BOK Center, the gathering place, and all the amazing things of downtown. But also you get great neighborhoods with a ton of character. And this one is one of those houses. So you got gorgeous Japanese maples right here in the front. I love the pavers around both ways. I'll wander over here a little bit before we go in just so you can get an idea of the garden space. So over here, you get a nice big shade tree in the front, which is awesome. You got the 2-car garage, and then this is your back entry right here. Now, at the time of this video, this one is offered for $500,000. But it's actually only a 2-bedroom, but it does have the potential to be modified into a 3-bedroom if you wanted to do that. Sorry, got a phone call there. Like I said, a little bit of remodeling, you could make it into a 3-bedroom if you wanted, but maybe you don't need a 3-bedroom. And it'll just be perfect for you. Hardwood floors, which is pretty great. Obviously, Midtown vibes. Very cool. So coming around, broker's open today. We've got nice big picture windows in the front. Good living space. You have your dining space over there. Massive island for all the entertaining like we're doing today for Miss Gloria's broker's open. But gas range, that's that back door you saw a second ago. All of this counter space. Nice big picture window out to the back. So I'll swing around this way and show that to you. Excuse me. So you've got kind of a mudroom slash laundry space. So you got laundry space, some storage back there. And then you have a little prep counter here. Obviously they're using this as kind of a workout space as well. In here, we've got that 2-car garage, which is nice. You do have an exterior door, but I'm just going to use this one right here. Check it out. This much yard, and as nice as it is right here in Midtown, is very hard to find. You can easily spend close to $1 million for a yard like this in the Midtown area. So, love this. You do have a little storage shed in the back, but obviously great for entertaining. You do have a sunroom, which I'll show you that here in a minute when we get back inside. But huge backyard, goes all the way around, goes around the other side as well, which I'll wander over there and show you. The home is move-in ready. You wouldn't have to do anything unless you want to do some painting or something because the colors weren't quite your style. But that's pretty much common in any home. You got to make it your own once you move in. So let's head back on in. Show you the sunroom, like I said. So around this way, obviously, tons of pantry space, microwave, oven, refrigerator. Got some built-ins here, and here's that sunroom. Now, personally, I think it would be great to just put like a door right there, if you wanted, or just leave it as a nice enclosed sunroom space. But love all the natural light in here. They're like singing in here. Bye, bye, Miss America. Oh my God. I drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. Some good old boys are drinking whiskey and rye. We're gonna post all of that. Coat closet right here. And then through here, this is not the primary, but this is your hall bath. But it is shared with this bedroom over here. So you have the shower there. I do like the plantation shutters throughout the majority of the home, which is pretty great. Nice big room here. And then on the other side, This one would be your primary because it has its own private bathroom. Again, you can see those plantation shutters there. And a really good sized bathroom. Nice shower. But again, you have a lot of options in this home to make it your own and do some modifying along the way, which wouldn't be too difficult. But let me know in the comments, what do you think about it? I think it's pretty great. And for the price in Midtown and the location, the neighborhood, all of that, this one is a pretty sweet deal. But if you'd like more information, I'll put a link in the description to all the photos and all that good stuff. Of course, if you're thinking of making a move to the Tulsa area, you should totally reach out to me. I would love to help you make that smooth transition. Whether you're moving to the Tulsa area or moving in and around the Tulsa area, obviously I help with both of those. Or if you want to build a brand new house, we can also do that too, as I am a member of the Home Builders Association. So hopefully you've enjoyed this tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.